Hey, hi. Today, the video is a bit special. There's no analysis today, but rather a gift. I'm actually very proud and very happy to make available to everyone watching this video a resource, an exclusive file that we crafted here and that I'm very proud of that will help you save 100 of hours and help you find the best inspiration you can in terms of e-commerce email marketing. My name is Mehdi, and I'm your host here at Ecom Growth Studio. Subscribe if it's the first time you're watching a video on this channel because we're publishing best practices, example, and benchmarks of the e-commerce industry every single week. All right, back to the file. I'm super happy to make this available for you. My goal when you have this file is actually to empower you to publish at least two newsletters a week for a whole year. So the file that I'm going to send you is a file with 104 email marketing IDs specifically for e-commerce with more than 500, 600 examples, real examples from real brands that you actually probably know. I'm super proud of this file. It's actually has a ton of knowledge. It's super useful. Yeah, it can only help you be more present to your audience and present more things in a more engaging way and increase your email marketing scores. All right, so I guess we can start. I'm going to show you the file right now. It's there. It's a huge Notion file. Here you go. It's a huge Notion file with 104 email marketing campaign IDs. And here you go. You have all the IDs that are there available for free. You have the link in the description just below if you want the file for yourself. Go ahead and download it. It's 100% free. And yeah, it had those ton of IDs. And for every ID present on the Notion file, if you click on the card, so let's say, for instance, the 24 hours mystery flash sale. So that's one of the promotion that you could do. It has at least 5 examples from various industries using this kind of email. So here we go for personal care, food, and fashion, for instance. I'm going to go with Perfect Keto here. Here you go, 24 hours mystery flash sale. And you have the email just right there for your inspiration. So you can see how brands are actually using these email marketing ideas for various industry. And you really have a ton of ID, 104, but all those IDs are super interesting. I'm gonna, yeah, for instance, you have the MAA, ask me anything. How are brands using MAA emails and FAQ emails in their strategy? Meet the team. Of course, if you want to humanize and connect with your audience, how can you present your team to your audience through email marketing? Here you go. Here is how Annie is doing it. All right, what else? New product drop, problematic one-on-one, your brand's birthday, a comparison email. That's one of my favorite example. If you want to compare your product versus the competition, that's an email that you should send uh, at least more than once a year. A sneak peek, a golden ticket, feature reviews, your social pledge. Um, See, this file, text us. This file has only great example, great ideas, and it's, yeah, I'm actually super proud to share this one with you. Go ahead in the comments, download it, and of course, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any improvement in mind. If there is anything else you need, I'd be glad to, to help you and provide you with more examples. And what I wanted to add was, last thing is that if that actually is useful for you, I guess that it might actually be useful for you as well to subscribe to the channel because we're publishing videos about those specific topics every single week. What we do here usually is that we publish videos about a specific marketing idea, for instance, and we're going to go deeper into what are the best brands doing on this idea. For instance, I guess that the last videos that we published were about the BOGO promotion or the comparison emails or the staff picks emails. And we also review specific brands or specific industries to really gather all the best practices of those branded industries, so we can actually get better at e-commerce growth marketing. So subscribe if it's not done already. I'm happy that you're here. I'm glad that you can take advantage of this file. And yeah, if you need anything, just please let me know and reach out. All right. Take care. Have a great, great day. Bye bye.